It's whistle time.
Boing. This is the type of shit I would jump when I was a kid with a bicycle. Boing. This is a little bit more involved than a bicycle. So, is my Insta 360 turned off? Okay. Well, I guess no footage today then. It must have a dead battery. And my only spare died. It fell actually apart. I took the chin curtain out because it's been brushing right up against 100 degrees for the past couple of days, and I'm not gonna die for audio quality. I'm sorry. I don't care. So I don't want this to turn into a drama channel, but I do watch a lot of drama channels. The one who I've been expecting the downfall of, I wouldn't quite say I'm rooting for it, but that's basically what she's been asking for, doing things like she's been doing, is Riley Elena. Boy, howdy, I am late to this. But I logged on to YouTube to watch my slop, and this girl went after a beloved goth YouTuber. It's Black Friday. I've been watching her for like over a decade at this point. I love Freya. She's such a wholesome lady. Anyway, she like picked a fight with her, and it's like, of all the people to like fucking take your miserable existence out on, why Freya? Am I recording? I don't even know, dude. I can't tell. But yeah, it's Black Friday. It's a channel about the goth subculture, fashion, and brand hauls. You know, it's cute. It's fun. It's non-problematic entertainment. Anyway, so Riley Elena made this 2-hour yap fest based off of unsubstantiated claims from a source in a DM that sent her a Google Doc full of a bunch of like bitter axe to grind type rumors about Freya, and it went about exactly as you'd expect. I don't know why people make videos like this that are as long as The Lord of the Rings, but like I guess like the monetization, but I'm not gonna sit through that. Well, Freya did, and managed to condense all of the points this girl made into like 34 minutes in a response. But blown the fuck out. And Riley took that shit down and replaced it with the most non-apology apology ever. Like, it's been a while since I've seen somebody post straight up libel on youtube.com, but holy fuck, man. It was interesting, to say the least. Anyway, that's what I did yesterday while in between doing things at work. I was paying attention to this dumbass drama. Yeah. Happy Pride. Me just over here being the messiest bitch that ever was. Like, I love working in self-storage, dude. Like, 99% of my day is just sitting there, like, eating snacks and making sure the place doesn't burn down while watching messy-ass drama videos on YouTube. Ain't nobody honking for Jesus for the old man on the side of the road. I feel kind of bad for him, honestly. This is kind of a minefield I've decided to plop myself down into today. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty it is today. It's a shame in like 4 days this is all gonna be rainy bullshit again. This is like one of our like 3 weeks of good weather we get here. Oh Lord, that's big. You ever notice how like excavators look like dinosaurs? They look like fucking sauropod dinosaurs that just eat a bunch of dirt. What are we doing here? Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Freshly turned dirt. It smells so fungal. But yeah, man, I don't know. Like, the YouTube drama scene is always messy. Messy, messy, messy ladies. The girls are always fighting. Damn, that looked nice. You know, they really could have thought of a better way to accomplish that piece of road back there, I think. They were probably limited by, like, the bridge and all of that. I don't know. Man, it's fucking stupid. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. This video is probably going to be really short unless I come out of the vape store with, like, inspiration.
Life is pain! I hate myself!